Here's a 2017 Mazda CX-9. It's been engineered to rise to any occasion with a smart combination of impressive interior room, legendary handling, and uncompromising comfort. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, power sliding sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. With Mazda, driving is what matters most. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.